Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a unboxing. So let me hide my address. But I have everything thrown in just this BH Cosmetics box. But we have products from Walmart, ULTA, BH Cosmetics, FOCALLURE, however you say that brand. I think that's pretty much it. So if you want to see any of these products or check out all the new stuff that I got, and I will have it all linked down below where you can go purchase it yourself, then just keep watching and I hope you all enjoy this video. And if you are new, my name is Brooklyn. Welcome to my channel where we are normally doing a makeup tutorial at this point, but I already have makeup on, so that is not what this video is today. So we are just going to jump right into the unboxing. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to unbox is all of the goodies from ULTA. So I have these two bags and then I have an eyeshadow palette. It's at the bottom of this box, so I will get to it in just a second. So the first thing that I got is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. So I haven't actually tried this. It's been out forever, so I'm super behind. But my ULTA's actually just recently got Morphe in stock. Normally it's been online. I hate shopping online, even though I do a lot of it. I was waiting on Morphe to come to ULTA, basically. Okay. So then we got some brushes. So I got the M433. This is a blending fluffy brush. And then these were my first Morphe brushes too. The M441, which is another blending brush. Can't go wrong with some good blending brushes. And then the last thing is the Naked Skin Urban Decay Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. This concealer has been around forever, and I honestly think it is so much better than the Tarte Shape Tape. I know that I'm probably going to get a bunch of y'all jump on me because everyone loves that concealer, but that one is way too thick for me, and I think that the Urban Decay one is so bomb. Okay, so the second bag, we got 3 products this trip, is the new Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This has been around for a hot minute, and I'm just now getting my hands on it. And then I also got the matching concealer. So I do self-tan, so I got 2 shades darker, or 1 shade darker than my skin color. As you can see, my foundation is so much darker than me because I haven't done a self-tan, but we're going to do one soon because I got some new self-tanners that I'm going to show y'all as well. I don't think I have them in this box, but I will have them in another video. But I got the shade F5, and then for concealer, I got C4. So we got those 2, so we're going to for sure do videos over that. Alright, so that is just a few of the items that I got from ULTA. Like I said, we have some palettes and stuff like that. I can't remember. I think 2 of the palettes that I got are from ULTA. So, and then the only thing I got from Walmart was some lashes. I've been getting a lot of lashes lately. I love these ones mainly because they go short to long, and those look super good on. Super natural. They're from e.l.f. and they're in the shade Winged and Bold. I have tried them before and I love them. My nieces came over and one of them just disappeared. Whatever. So I finally went and got some more. Okay, so for palettes, I'm going to go ahead and do the one that I got from ULTA because I'm super freaking excited. Alright, so this is my first Morphe palette. I know. Eyeshadow palette. I have some blushes and contour from Morphe, but this is my first eyeshadow palette, and it is like my child. So I got the 35M, which is the Boss Mood palette. But anyway, so we're just going to pull this babe out. I haven't used any of this yet, so y'all are getting first sight of it all as well. But when I saw this one, my boyfriend actually helped me pick it out. He was like, that purple. He was like, girl, you need it. I'm so scared I'm going to dig my nails into this, so I'm trying to avoid doing that. But here she is. So there is tons of mattes and shimmers and just gorgeous colors. I cannot wait to play with this color right here. I am dying over it. I'm so excited. And I just can't wait to play with this one. I wanted the James Charles. As most of you know, that one you cannot get your hands on unless you're freaking God himself. So I'm still trying to get it, and hopefully we do get it eventually, but for now that one is going to do wonderfully. So yeah, and plus I got some other really bright palettes, so they will fill in for the James Charles for now. Okay, so now for the, I believe that is all from Ulta and Walmart. Okay, so now for the BH Cosmetics. Basically everything left in this box is from BH Cosmetics. So I got some free stuff and I hit up the sales. Everything was like 30 to 40% off. So the first thing that we're going to go with is the Take Me to Brazil palette, y'all. I was so excited. I wanted this palette for so long. This is her. Super, super pretty. I'm going to do some swatches. I didn't want to swatch the Morphe one, but I'm going to swatch some of these. It's pretty pigmented. Look at that light pink, though. So these are the 3 first shimmers that I just saw, so I just swatched them. I'm excited for that yellow. That girl is really pretty. So yeah, this is the Take Me Back to Brazil. They have the Rio edition too, but I only wanted this one. It was originally $20, and I believe I got it for $13, I want to say, something like that. But I'm excited to use that one, so we're going to do some really cool looks with that. Sent me a sample of their BH foundation, so I will try this. They sent me light olive. It might work for me now, but when I have a tan, girl, that ain't gonna work. Okay, and so then the next thing that I got mainly brushes. So we got the Mini Pink Perfection 6-piece brush set. So it looks like this. Like I said, I haven't opened any of these, haven't used any of these. So, but it came in this super freaking cute little bag, and it says blending is my cardio.
I hate my hair right now. I wish it would stop being such a butthole.
So we're going to open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. Y'all probably don't care, but just in case for the ones that do care. So these are mini brushes, which I don't really like mini brushes, but they're really nice to have when you are traveling. And I have been doing a lot of that lately, so. And these were only like, they were originally like, I want to say like 20. Maybe I'm like totally off, but I paid like $6 for them, so. Anyway, so this is what they look like. Super soft. They're light pink and hot pink. This way. So there's 3 eye brushes and 3 face brushes. Super cool. So yeah, let's check out this blending brush. Yeah. So the next things that we got. So I got these brushes for free. It is the Eye Essential 7-piece brush set. Like I said, haven't opened any of this. So we're just going to rip it all open. Just slide these out. Ooh, girl, that blending brush looks good. Okay, so that was just like the, you know, like the salt packages or whatever. That's like not even what it is. This blending brush looks freaking bomb. Okay. So these are the brushes that we get. Ooh, almost dropped one. So we have a fluffy blending brush. Y'all can't even freaking see. So we have a fluffy blending brush. This is a flat shader. I should have done this for the other brushes. I'm going to show y'all what those brushes are and what they do. Then we have a brow brush. This is an angled shadow brush. We have a little cute liner brush if she will get out of her package. Ooh. I'm like staring directly at my ring light. And then we have this little cute flat little shader brush and then a pointed brush that would be really good for inner corner highlight. So like I said, got all of these little babes for free. I think when you bought any brush set, you got them for free. So I'm going to go back to these 6 so I can show y'all again. So we got this flat little shader. We got a basic blending, another brow brush. I have so many brow brushes, y'all. It's insane. So there's the 3 eye. And then we have us a contour slash blush brush, a flat kabuki, and then a powder. So, and these are again super cute little mini ones. They're really soft. The last thing I believe, yes, the last thing from BH Cosmetics is this gorgeous brush set. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. It took everything in me not to freaking rip into this thing and just say screw this video because I'm using those brushes now. But I waited. Ugh. So let's get into these. I waited for you guys. I'm just so sweet. Okay, so they came in a little package. These are freaking gorgeous. I'm never going to use them. Okay. Let's pull all of these out. It says activated carbon, do not eat. So if you thought about eating one of those packages, don't do it, girl. Alright, so this is them. They are so pretty. They're like iridescent, ombre, metallic, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not going to open up all of these brushes because that's going to take a hot minute. Ooh, but that blending brush, I'll just show you an eye brush and a face brush. So we have a contour slash blush brush. Look at how freaking slick that is. Oh, I'm obsessed. It's so freaking soft. And then this eyeshadow brush looks poppin'. So look at that. Ooh, actually this might be a highlighter brush. Make that highlight pop. That is so nice. They're super soft, so I'm obsessed with these. I cannot wait to do a review over those brushes. If you want to see me do a review, comment down below and say, hey, I love those brushes. Do a review over them, and I will freaking do it. Alright, so this is all that we have left. These are not BH Cosmetics. These are from a brand called FOCALLURE or FOCALLURE. I cannot pronounce it for the freaking life of me. I don't know how to. So if you know how to, comment down below and be like, hey dummy, this is how you say it. But basically this company just sent me this box and wanted me to try out a few of their items. So I'm going to just show y'all what we have. So the first thing that I got was this eyeshadow palette. It is the Tropical Vacation FOCALLURE. I don't know how to say it, eyeshadow palette. So we're just going to open her up. Alright, so it comes in a little box like this. Look at how bougie. Okay, I see you, I see you.
Whoa, sister. Whoa, sister.
Those are freaking pretty. This kind of reminds me of an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, just saying. Let's do some little swatches. I'm just going to swatch these shimmers. Pretty good. Ooh, yes. That gold is screaming my name, okay? Yes. That is so nice. These mattes look really pretty. This is a very fall palette. These oranges and reds. And it even came with a little double-ended brush. Looks like a blending brush and then a flat shader. And then, of course, it has a big mirror. Really nice palette. So we're definitely going to do a review over this one. I'm sure I can find some kind of freaking look to do. Always doing new looks, y'all. So the next thing that came in this little box is some Collagen Crystal Eye Mask. So these are like the little eye patches to help with wrinkles. To help with wrinkles, not Pringles, Brooke. So I might just pop these on and then do my eye makeup and then peel them off, and then you know you're going to be like really moisturized and all that good stuff. So, and they're pink. So it says collagen and eye mask, anti-aging and wrinkles eye patches. So we're going to test those out. Alright, so the next thing is the eyes. And this is called the Volumizing Mascara for some bomb lashes. Like it literally says bomb lashes. So we're going to open this. I love a good mascara. Right now I'm using the Epic as always, so it's going to be really hard to go to a new mascara. If I do fall in love with this one, I'm going to be really sad because I love Epic. But anyway, so we're going to open her up. And this is the wand. It's really big. I'm used to a more defined one, but we're going to test it out and I will let y'all know, of course, in a video what I think of it.
My hair is the most annoying thing in this whole entire video. Like, come on, get your life together.
The next thing is the Glazzi Magic and Seal eyeliner. Sorry, getting ahead of myself. So we're just going to pop this open and see what she looks like. Alright, so of course it has a clear protective over it. Thank you, company. I have nails, so I don't know how I'm gonna freaking...
Don't do this at home. I'm nasty, I know. Whatever.
So again, Glazzi, and it's double-ended, so I'm assuming maybe skinny eyeliner, fat eyeliner, I don't know. Okay. Alright, so this is the eyeliner. I've never used a freaking wing eyeliner like that. Woo! Like that fat. She a fat girl. Okay, so gosh, I kind of like got eyeliner everywhere, but whatever. So now so it says eyeliner and then it says Seal eyeliner. What? Y'all, it's like the little, to make the freaking wing. How sick is that? I don't even know if y'all can see it, but that is going to help me. That is going to help me so much because I suck at wing liner. That is so cool. Alright, so there's some little swatcheroos of it. Oh, that's what I should have done. Y'all want to see swatches of these palettes? We'll go back to it, and I'm going to do some swatches of some palettes. Alright, so the final last thing. I'm so sad that this unboxing is, like, over. But they sent me the Bright White Teeth Whitening Pen, which is so weird because, like, they were sending me makeup. And so then they're like, you know what? But, I mean, you have to have pretty white teeth when you're doing those lipsticks. I don't have anything on my lips today because they're fudged up. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. Bright white. And then it has just the in, and I'm assuming you twist, of course. So we will definitely be doing a review over this. I'm going to start using this tonight, and I will use it every night. And through my videos, if my teeth look whiter, it's because of this. So I already showed y'all a few swatches out of this little thing, but I'm actually going to do some on the back of my hand. So I'm going to do Taro. I didn't swatch that one. And we're going to do Heat, which is a matte orange. And we'll do Bright, which is another shimmer. And we're just going to do these puppies right on here. Okay, so you can't even see that really light one. It's on there. It's like a gold, but you can't even see it. The swatches are not that bad. That orange is looking pretty dang good. Okay, so then I'm going to go back over to the Take Me to Brazil, or Take Me Back to Brazil. Take Me to Brazil is actually what it needs to be called because I want to freaking go. But anyways, and I'm going to do some of the shimmers. So I'll do the green, the blue, and we'll do this gold down here. Like, you can barely see the green. That's like a bad spot for me to do a swatch, but dang, that gold too. I can do a few swatches of the Morphe. I did not want to touch it because it's like my baby. But we'll do some swatches. And I want to keep this because it has the names. Like, I wish they would have put them on the back like every other palette, but Morphe can't be like every other palette. Okay, so we're going to do this gold. Oh my god, it is so creamy. Y'all, I just died. Okay, we're gonna do this green. It is so creamy. And this orange. What the hey? What? Okay. Let's swatch these.
Holy shit, y'all. Morphe is my main bitch.
Look at that. That is freaking crazy. Oh my god. I'm gonna do this purple. I'm not gonna sit here and swatch the whole entire palette, but I'm gonna do this purple. This purple right here that I'm swatching is the reason Bryce told me to get this palette. He was like, I like that purple. Get you a boy that actually cares. Girl. Oh yeah, we are going to do some bomb freaking looks. That is crazy. Yes. 10 out of 10, recommend. Alright, so after I had my little freak out over the Morphe palette, this is actually the end of the video, and I'm really sad about it. I know it was probably really short. After I edit it, it's going to be like 2 minutes long, but I just wanted to show y'all my new goodies. I think I have actually more makeup coming in the mail, so if you like these videos, please let me know, and I will definitely do more videos like this. We are going to do a makeup tutorial next. I will probably use every single eyeshadow palette, every single eyeliner. You're gonna be like, this girl has 2 different eyelashes on right now. But so this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, please tell me down below. If you can, please give me a thumbs up if you did like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, there's a little bell somewhere, I think it's around here, next to the subscribe button. If you click on it, it will notify you every time that I upload a YouTube video. So if you want that on, be sure to click it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!